हरिः ओम् नमः सर्वेभ्यः अद्य भाषा प्रवेश प्रथमभागस्य 70तमी कक्षार्थं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्. Okay, next one is the Sankhya's. We'll just quickly say what are these numbers.
Trimshat.
Okay, that's right.
Panchashat adhika panchashatam.
Yeah, that is right.
एकविंशति अधिक त्रीणि शतमधिक चत्वारिसहस्रम्.
No, एकविंशत्यधिक त्रिशताधिक चतुस्सहस्रम्. Okay, it's a closer to perfection. Thank you.
350 अधिक नवत्रिंशत् सहस्रम् शतमधिक अष्टनवतिसहस्रम्.
Okay, 350-183,83,सहस्राधिक-1,00,000. Okay, next, let's move.
The bigger one I don't know, sir. The next one I can say.
Okay.
Navatihi.
Okay, the next one.
99.
Yeah, one more also.
Navatihi. Adhike navashatam.
No, it's wrong actually. I need to use proper intermediate words. Okay, let's move.
पंचाशत अधिकम 10,000 1,00,000 अधिक चतुर्थ कोटि.
Yeah, so 50-10,000-1,00,000-1,00,000 1,00,000-1,00,000-चतुश्शतकोटि. Yeah, चतुश्शतकोटिः. Astu, perfect.
The next one will be 54. So Chatur.
Okay, meantime, the timings we need to convert. Get ready with the time. Yeah.
Chatur panchashat adhika ashashadika dvasahasradika sorry dvashtaladika laksham dvilaksham.
Okay, but you need practice. Yes, right. Okay, next.
Samayaka bhavan?
Yes.
Sartha Ashtavadanam Ratrau.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I didn't know only that time. Okay. Sardha Dashavadanam. Okay, next.
Dvavimshat Adhika Ashtavadanam.
Yeah, that is right.
षट्चत्वारिंशत् यदिक द्वादशवादनम्.
Okay.
चतुस्त्रिंशत् अधिक दश एकादश द्वादशवादनम्.
Yeah, द्वादशवादनम्, right?
सपाद पञ्चवादनम्.
Okay, you got easy one.
सार्ध त्रिवादनम्.
Yeah, that is right.
पादोन सप्तवादनम्.
Perfect, right?
एकोनषट्वादनम् अधिकं चतुर्वादनम्.
एकोनपञ्चवादनम्. Yeah. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Next abhyasa is we'll randomly show some words, namapadams in different vibhaktis, and you need to frame some sentences using them. Okay, just for making it faster, I will show five of them on the screen. You can just start preparing, making sentences out of them. Okay, So Margaha, Eshaha, Lataha, Pushpe, Nadyo. So remember, entire sentence must be perfect. So you know the tip actually. The longer sentences generally makes it causes a lot of mistakes. Hope you are aware of that. Okay, let's start with the exercise now. I'll start from top.
मार्गाः उभयतः वृक्षाः सन्ति.
Okay, it is a wrong sentence. I'll move to the next.
नगरे अनेक मार्गाः सन्ति.
Yeah, that is right.
एषः कृष्णफलकम् अस्ति.
Wrong. Okay, let's move to the next one.
एष बालक सुन्दर अस्ति.
Okay, I think I understand it's a pronunciation mistake. So, Eshaha Balakaha Sundaraha Asti. That's the right one. Okay.
लताः वृक्षस्य उपरि आरोढयन्ति.
No, the verb form is wrong. Okay, let's move.
उद्याने लताः सन्ति.
Yeah, that is right.
पुष्पे भ्रमरः उपविशति.
Okay, can you try framing Dvivachana Pushpe? Okay, that's for your Abhyasa. So there are many other forms with the same, many other Vivakti and Vachanam with the same Pushpe form. Try to make sentences all of them. But that is for your home exercise. Okay, let's move on.
नद्यौ मीने स्तः.
Yeah, that is right. Okay, now next 5 set of 5 words. Bhaktau, Namaha, Rochate, Krudhyanti, Mateyaha.
देवालये भक्तौ भ्रमतः.
Okay, that is right. But I am also expecting there is another form like Bhaktau. So I want that answer. Not a Prathama. Okay. That's also right. Actually, I take it as right.
शिवाय नमः.
Okay, good.
अहं फलं रोचते.
Wrong. It is.
Wrong.
Let's move. Aham phalam rochate. Wrong. Yeah, let's move.
मह्यं भागवतं रोचते.
Yeah, right.
वानराः क्रुध्यन्ति.
Yeah, that is right. But this is especially Vibhakti question, so the answer is not appropriate here. Okay, let's move.
महोदय कौरवाः पाण्डवेभ्यः क्रुध्यन्ति.
Yeah, that is right. Yeah, next Mateyaha.
And Bhaktau also Sanskritasya Sada Bhaktau Ande Sanskritam. Like I want it be Bhaktau is the 7th Vibhakti form.
Right, but I want your own sentence, not from some shlokas or anywhere. Okay, that's right. That's a good one. Okay, next let's move.
Which one, Mahodaya?
Mateyaha.
Matayah. Mati Matyau. Matihi Mati Matayah. It's a Bahuvachanam. बालिकाभिः मतयः उत्तमम्. I don't know. They have good.
What is the meaning? Okay, then it is wrong meaning, wrong sentence. Okay, you are going to say the girls have good intelligence. That sentence is wrong. Okay, let's move to the next one. You can keep it as a homework for Mateyaha. Let's move to Taha.
ताः गीतं गायन्ति.
Yeah, right.
वृक्षात् वृक्षस्य पत्रं कल्पते.
No, it is wrong. Yeah. This is a Vibhakti Pata, so I am expecting the relevant answers here.
कविः काव्यं कल्पते.
No, I think no, it's not correct.
कविः
छात्राः क्रीडानि कल्पते.
No. Chatraha vavachanam kalpate ekavachanam, but still the sentence is not appropriate here. Okay.
Kalpate, I don't know, sir.
Okay. So somebody, I'm expecting somebody to close this loop. Okay.
बालको कल्पते द्विवचनम.
That is wrong.
Mhodaya, jnanaya vivekam kalpate. You getting something, create something with your expertise. Fourth vibhakti.
So vivekaha jnanaya kalpate. That is right. Yeah. Okay. Now next one. Let's move to the next one.
हरि ओम महोदय.
हरि ओम.
आवश्यकः आवश्यकी आवश्यकम्.
Example.
For this thing I'll say पुस्तकम् आवश्यकम्. मम रोटी आवश्यकी. मम रोटिका आवश्यकी. आवश्यका पुल्लिङ्गम्. I'm not sure.
Yeah, fine, no problem. It's a good attempt. Maybe grantaha avashyakaha. Okay, fine. Next.
ह्यस्तन पाठः सम्यक् आसीत्.
Yeah, can you try with splitting the word? Okay, no problem. It's a good attempt. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, no problem. We'll go.
Okay, sir.
Hestana pataha is a single word. You can split and say, right? We have discussed in the class. Okay, next, move on. Purataha.
मम पुरतः कपाटिकायाम् अस्ति.
It is a wrong sentence, but purataha usage is right, but the remaining part is wrong. Okay, let's move.
गृहस्य पुरतः वृक्षः अस्ति.
Yeah, that is right. Next one. Bhavanani.
भवनानि मार्गं परितः भवनानि सन्ति.
No, paritaha is not the appropriate one. Maybe hubayataha is the right one. Okay, good attempt.
Then bhavanani.
No, that is completed. Maybe we can take next one.
Oh, sorry, nidra. Shishuhu nidram karoti.
No, in all 7 vibhaktis.
Huh?
In all 7 vibhaktis.
Nidrena arogyam bhavati.
No, that is wrong. Nidrena is not a right form. Let's move on. So Ditya is completed. Maybe somebody else can fill up other vibhaktis.
Which one, sir? Nayani?
Yeah, Nidra with other vibhaktis. Ditya is covered.
Nidya is covered. Nidrayam. So you want the sentence?
Yeah, a full sentence. Yeah. Okay, let's move. Yeah, get ready. Yeah.
अहम निद्रायाम गच्छामि.
Yeah, that is right. Any other vibhakti you would like to try?
अहम निद्रायाम.
Okay, fine. I'll move on. So Ditya and Saptami is completed.
Nidraya Shishuhu Sukhena Nidraya Gachati, karoti option is it?
No, that is wrong.
Okay,
Let's
nidra,
move.
nidra,
No, that is wrong. Okay, let's move.
When you say nidraartham shishuhu roditi,
What is the meaning?
it wants to sleep. The baby wants to sleep.
No, then
Right?
that sentence is wrong.
Oh.
Okay, let's move.
निद्रायै सा निद्रायै प्रकोष्ठं गच्छति she goes
Yeah, that is right. Any other vibhakti?
निद्रायाः सुखं मिलति I mean we get
Melati is not a right word, but it's a labhyate. That's fine. Okay. Okay. So any other vibhakti? Panchami is left, and Panchami, Tritiya, and Prathama is left. Okay, I'll stop here. You can frame your own sentences at home. Let's move to Nayane.
Aham nayane kashtam bhavami.
Wrong sentence. Let me move.
Ashruhu nayane bhavati.
Yeah, that is right. Yeah. And there are other forms of Nayana is also Nayane, but you can frame your own sentences. Yeah. Next one.
Vibhushanam. Sa Vibhushanani dharati.
It is wrong. It's a Hekavachanam. Vibhushanam Dharati is the right one. It's the same sentence exactly you need to use. Okay. Next one.
Pritihi. Mata pritihi. Bhojanam bhajati.
No, wrong.
माता बालिके प्रीतिम अस्ति.
No, that is wrong.
Mata balikayai pritihi asti. This is the fourth vibhakti.
No, that is wrong.
Gurushu pritihi bhavatu. Saptami vibhakti. Ganesha
Yeah, it is.
modakam priti.
It is right. Yeah. Gurushu Pritihi Bhavatu. That is right. Saptami. Next, Kimartham.
बालकः किमर्थं विद्यालयं न गच्छति.
Samyak. Next one. Rajave.
Rajave. Rajave. Karpaha.
Okay, let me move. If you are not ready, you can tell me. So we will save some time.
Rajave, you don't know. The next one. Take.
Okay, no problem. Okay, maybe you can go to either Te or Rajave. Yeah.
Rama Rajave Dhavati.
Meaning?
Ram runs for the what is called Rajave is row.
Yeah, that is right. Okay. Then now Te. Easiest one. Okay.
Te mandiram gachanti.
Yeah, right. Yeah, that's all for today's session. Hope you have enjoyed this session. And if you have any queries or if you want to interact with teachers, please log into forum.Sanskrit.Today, or you can even join our Telegram group, and the link for that group is given in the course page. And subscribe to this channel Sanskrit.Today to watch more videos like this, and share this video with your friends and interested people or group. And finally, like this video, and if you have any comments or feedback, please post it on the comment section. Dhanyavadaha.